Kids Easter egg games. Let's get the basics out of the way first. Hide the eggs. Either let the smaller children have a head start or have separate hunts for the older and younger kids. Alternately, pair each little child with an adult who has prior knowledge of where the eggs are hidden. Otherwise, the school-age kids will wipe the area clean of eggs before a toddler can even get going. This is a great game for the grown-ups to participate along with the kids. The players are divided into two teams. Each team is divided into two groups, one at point A, one at point B. The first player is given an egg in a spoon to carry from point A to point B. At that point, the egg and spoon are handed off to the next competitor, who carries it back to point A to the next competitor. Maybe you can't be at the annual egg roll at the White House, but you can start your own Easter tradition at home. Each child is given a hard-boiled Easter egg. The object is to get it from the starting line to the finish line. There are several ways to roll the egg. The White House version allows the kids to push it with a spoon. An alternative is to push the egg with the feet without cracking the shell. Alternately, the kids can be instructed to get on their hands and knees and push their eggs with their noses. One player is the wolf and the others are Easter eggs. Before the game begins, the eggs decide what color they are going to be. Usually, the older kids choose colors with longer names, chartreuse, magenta, and leave the easier colors for the younger kids. The eggs then face the wolf, who begins to guess colors. This game is played with raw eggs, so if the kids have on their good clothes, you may want to put plastic trash bags over them to protect them. You could play with boiled eggs, but the breaking of the eggs provides most of the fun. Each competitor has a partner. It's good to pair a young kid with an older person. This activity should be held separately from any other Easter hunt and must be prepared ahead of time. The person in charge of the hunt creates a series of hints that will lead the children from one site to another until the final prize is found. The hints are placed inside plastic Easter eggs, and the kids are given the first one to start off the fun. This game requires two teams and a referee. Grown-ups can play with the kids. Team members are numbered, so that each team has a number 1, number 2, etc. The teams line up opposite each other, and a plastic Easter egg is placed in the middle. The referee calls out a number, and the two players with that number approach the middle of the field. This game is a variation of hot potato, which is a variation of musical chairs. Fill a plastic egg with something to give it a little weight. Tape it closed very securely. Players sit or stand in a circle. When the music starts, the players pass the hot-boiled egg around the circle. Put 3 hula hoops on the ground in a triangle pattern. If you have 6 hoops, you can place them in a pyramid pattern. Tell the players the point value for each hoop. The one farthest away is worth the most points. Give each participant 5 candy eggs to throw from behind a designated line. Each time a player throws a piece of candy which lands in a hoop, he or she gets that point value. This game is played similarly to bocce or lawn bowling. It can be played indoors or out. Each player uses a colored boiled egg. A plain white boiled egg is used as the target. Players compete to see who can roll their egg closest to the white egg without touching it. The first person to win a certain number of rounds, usually 5 or 10, will win the game. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.